Hello everybody, welcome back to Joystick. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a gamepad joystick grip which I have purchased from Amazon for around 300 Indian rupees. I have put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's see how the product. So inside the box we get 6 pairs of joystick grips. Each has their own combination. So let me set that up first. So this is the 6 combination we get. So let us see how this looks on our gamepad. So here is my Cosmic White Aries gamepad. So let us try one of the styles here. So they feel really good. I mean, the grip is really good and will protect your joystick rubber material from being destroyed after gaming of long time. So this is really good. So you can also mix and match between them. Like for example, you can remove this red one and you can try with one red and one blue also. It's really good. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future notification. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.